I can say for a data analyst, the average starting salary across the US actually is about 70,000. If you convert that to Kenya, maybe that is money that can scare someone. Yeah, but yeah, somebody can be able to calculate. So about a starting of about 70 and conversion rate being 150 currently, so someone can be able to calculate. But it's also a range between 70. I've seen highs of about 100, 115. Yeah, but especially now for six figures, you must be like in your 3, 4, 5 years of like practice. But yeah, expect
that's
that.
per annum.
Yeah, per year. So expect somewhere around 70 on average. But that's short, yeah. So me actually, when we went to school, we were taught SQL, that is the structured query language, and I just fell in love with SQL the moment I saw it, and I dived actually deep into SQL and I decided to make a career out of it. So mostly that's what I do, the SQL. Then I added on to now Power BI, that is visualization. So I'm big on those two, SQL and Power BI. Yeah, I know some people also love Python. I'm not the best in Python, but I try. I just use it minimally at work. So once you find something you're comfortable, just run with it. Python is good if you actually get also into data science. That's high-paying skill too. So just get what is comfortable with you. You can get started.
You're watching Success with Bob Mwiti Show, presented to you by UPC America. UPC America is a consulting company that helps immigrants find amazing higher education and job opportunities in the tech industry in the United States. You can find our programs by going to www.upstakemerica.com. UPC America, we wake you up to the unlimited potential.
My message is that actually don't wait for someone to, like when maybe you are sitting waiting and saying, oh, the program will sort me on everything. The program will sort you if you are also trying to sort yourself. Just try to advocate for yourself. Be out there, do also your best what you can do. I mean, there are a lot of opportunities. It's only people that decide to shortchange themselves. There are a lot of opportunities. Do your best, and the jobs will be there. Once you do your best, learn the best of your skills, get the certifications if you can, push yourself, go for interviews, apply as much as possible. I mean, yeah, one day, there's always a chance for everyone. So I'd rather people, especially their last semesters, people should actually push for the opportunities as they come. Yeah.
Great. And you just visited us in Florida. Maybe I can show.
Oh yeah.
Around.
Very nice food.
So
spending time.
you're leaving today?
Yeah. We are leaving this morning.
Josh. Yeah. So have you enjoyed being in Florida?
Yeah. Actually, Florida is nice. Very nice apartment. Very nice environment over here. And I wish we could have come for a longer stay.
But next time you guys don't make a mistake of just coming for a day.
Yeah, we want to come for an extended stay, like 3 to 5 days maybe. Yeah.
Great. We're happy to have you guys around. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Wilfred.
So niwaonyesha huku hali watu wanakula pesa ya mshahara. This is the place, guys. This is the place these guys have been staying. It's a beautiful, beautiful place.
You have been watching Success with Bob Mwiti Show, brought to you by UPC America. Come back again next time to learn concepts, tools, strategies, and resources on the path of becoming a successful immigrant in USA through real-life experiences. Be sure to subscribe to Bob Mwiti channel on YouTube and also follow him on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.